Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to change picture print size on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now, select the photo you want to print. Once you've opened the image, tap the Share icon at the bottom left corner. Scroll down to the options and tap on Print. Here, you'll see your iPhone print settings, including printer selection, number of copies, and, most importantly, the paper size option. Tap on Paper Size. Now you can choose from different print dimensions like A4, A5, A6, or other available sizes depending on your printer. Select the size you need, for example, A6 for smaller prints. Once you've selected your preferred photo print size, tap Print at the top right corner to send it to your printer. Make sure that you're connected to printer. And that's it. You've successfully changed the picture print size on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.